Surprise in the market. You want to know the last information? What's going on in the crypto market? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, crypto to the max. Did it take you by surprise? Did you know that the market was going to recover? Well, it seems that the market is finally waking up. We are going up with Bitcoin. We are so happy that we are around $99,000. Maybe as you watch this video, we are there because all the bubbles are in the green and we have so many coins in the double digits. Even Litecoin flipping Shiba Inu in market cap. You can see it's now number 18, Shiba Inu number 20. Litecoin is even higher than Toncoin right now. And we have some movement in the most important ones. You can see that the stable coins are the worst performance today, and the best go for Cardano, Litecoin, Sui, Lido, for example. Very interesting coins, maybe those dino coins that we mentioned from time to time from previous cycles. Why is it good for Cardano? Well, because Grayscale filed for a spot Cardano ETF in the New York exchange. When Michael Saylor told us in the past that this was never going to happen, well, he was wrong in this one. You can see in the monthly chart, we are having this lollipop for Cardano, still down from the $1. But yeah, Cardano seems to be recovering as so many of the coins after the debacle that we have in previous days. If you want to validate some Cardano with us, come to our pool called Fanon. We are in a row, we are validating all the time like crazy, close to 450 delegators. Thank you very much for your support. You have the link in the description below to know how to do that. And some people believe that Litecoin is about to pull an XRP. You know that everybody's hating on social media, Litecoin and Ripple, and then those explode. So is this gonna happen with Litecoin again? Maybe so, maybe no, who knows? Remember, I'm not expert. This is not financial advice, but Bloons says here that Litecoin of all things is trading like the market knows an ETF is imminent. The narrative of the ETFs, very important for cryptocurrencies today, is fighting against USD pair in the weekly SFP on the BTC pair. Haven't seen something that looks as clearly bullish as this, according to the opinion of this expert. Also, what about the pair Bitcoin Litecoin? Well, that ratio remains Calio of where Litecoin was at the end of 2017 after a major week lower. So many solid narratives to squeeze it higher in a Trump administration, ETFs, etc., etc. And remember that we draw those lines in previous videos. You have to watch all the crypto news. And we are projecting Litecoin to a new high to 370 something at some point this year. Maybe following the path of previous halvings. Here you have one of these charts you love that I create. You can do it with TradingView. And you can see these 574 days that we had after the halving in order to Litecoin to pump like crazy. In the second cycle, it was, not as long, the time we have to wait. It was 427 days, but somehow similar to the pump. Well, if that's the case, we are now so close to this pump to start. So come on, Litecoin, you can do it. Also, maybe BNB is going to explode. It had a nice last hours. And ZZ said that upgrades for BNB chain are in the works. And today, maybe we are going to know more about that. BNB that also has a lollipop in the monthly chart. So maybe ready to recover and hit new highs. And what about my official Trump? Is not going up, so I'm not gonna buy at $8. What do you think about that? And what do you think about the rest of the market? Which one is the coin that is going to go crazy today? Remember yesterday we told you about CAR? Well, today CAR is one of the losers that you find on dextools.io. So as always, I'm leaving you the link in the description below, and you can find the one that you believe is going to pump like crazy today if you are a speculator. Maybe one related with Donald Trump, OpenAI, or Sam Altman, as they are fighting. Elon Musk tried allegedly of buying OpenAI. Sam Altman replied saying that it's not on sale and that he might even buy Twitter. He made an offer. So those two having their fights, and Ethereum fighting all the market. Everybody hates Ethereum, but it's going up and we are happy about that. You see here this joke from Naive. FTX will start repaying 98% of users at Bitcoin 20K, but the same price for Ethereum as it was at that point at 2,500. So, well, you can see that you didn't lose money if you had Ethereum, if you consider this. But again, I am tired of Ethereum being criticized. The most hated rally is loading. According to Titan of Crypto, the sentiment is a pig food. Few believe on Ethereum anymore, so the comeback will be legendary, like this chart, hopefully so. Seems that whales are accumulating in the shadows, and also the number of Ethereum whales holding over 10,000 Ethereum has risen by 230% since February the 1st, signaling growing accumulation. Also, everybody's focused on shorting Ethereum, like you can see in this chart, and you know what happens when all the market is in one direction, we go the other way around. Why are they doing this? Of course, they want Ethereum at a lower price, in my opinion. Consider that the SEC has acknowledged an amendment for CBOE's 19b4, failing to allow in-kind creations and redemptions on both ARK's 21 shares Bitcoin and core Ethereum ETF. So those are in the way. What about Japan? Japan is considering lifting Bitcoin ETF ban and tax cuts for crypto. This would be a major shift in regulatory landscape for Japan, and that's good for the whole market. Also in United States, North Carolina introducing a bill to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve. All of them want to be the first one, but the first is Satoshi Nakamoto and then Michael Saylor, halfway toward the 1 million Bitcoin. Michael Saylor's strategy now holding 478,740 Bitcoin, worth this crazy amount in $1 billion. And what about Metaplanet? Those shares have risen 4,800% in nearly a year after it announced its Bitcoin treasury strategy in April 2024, according to Bloomberg data. Huge that Bitwise said that government and companies who want to buy Bitcoin, we have to buy it from individuals willing to sell it. In other words, the smart move is to keep on holding, as we are holding for so many years. Consider also what's happening with dollar. This is the purchasing power of $100 since the creation of the Federal Reserve. In 1913, $100. But then you can see that today, 2024, we went all the way down to just $3. So you are losing money if you are holding fiat currencies, of course. And here, a very nice tweet, I'm gonna leave it in the description below, with so many interesting books about crypto and Bitcoin and the price that Bitcoin had when it was released. Like what was the price of Bitcoin when we had the Bitcoin standard, $4,000. Very interesting one. Remember that you can see all those videos on findontheright.com, our website, where you have the recommended book, some of them with videos that you can watch before even buying them, and always for free. Link in the description below. So many good narratives out there. The Chinese New Year wasn't one this year. I asked ChatGPT to tell me about this, and allegedly you can still rely on that theory for Bitcoin to go up or down. We are in the Buddha snake this year, and I went to TradingView, and you can see that, well, last year we went up, the previous we went down from the very first day this year. So yeah, it's another variable, but not a huge one in my opinion. Which is a huge thing that you need to consider. My friend Juan from Taking Risks told me is that tomorrow, Wednesday, we are going to know some data in United States, and this data affects inflation. So now the idea is that maybe Donald Trump policies are not as bad as people believe. Those tariffs and his policies with oil are working out. Maybe true inflation is going down, and also all countries out there, they are cutting rates. So maybe with this data and with these countries cutting rates, as they said in the last chapter of Taking Risks, they are going to cut the rates. Jerome Powell is going to speak tomorrow. He will not tell us if they are going to cut them, but maybe so. The market volatility is to be expected tomorrow because of these announcements. And we'll see behavior of dollar. We keep on watching it. And remember the chart we shared yesterday. We are still on track also with 2017, things that you can go deeper in with yesterday's video. So go there, do not miss that out, and do not miss the opportunity of buying crypto in Europe with bitpanda.com, our partner exchange right now. And this week, or the latest next week, they are going to have a really, really nice offer. So I would recommend you to have your account ready today. You have a link in the description below. You heard the channel. Thank you very much. Also, what about having a 10% discount, 10% discount using the best portfolio tracker, coin tracking? You have the link there also. You can also make your tax report, as you know, with this tool, the best in its species. And if we zoom out as we get to the end of the video, consider the yearly candles for Bitcoin. Maybe we are in number 1 now, remember? That means that we still have to go crazy up. And at some point, we'll go down, maybe November, December, and we may start a crypto winter of falling 65% or 80%. We'll see about that. We're here in this channel. We always end with a cat. In this occasion, we have this one that has a side quest for you. Mysterious cat telling you all about the market. The secrets that you can learn about AI with our other channel, Rodrigo Hornedo, Inteligencia Artificial, and also, of course, all you need to learn here on Rodrigo Hornedo, Noticias Bitcoin, Crypto News, fun on the right, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!